HIV.
AIDS.
Currently in the world, 38 million people are infected with HIV.
Every year, 1 million people die with this disease.
Just for comparison, COVID-19 has 1.3 million deaths last year.
Worldwide, India is at number 3 with the largest number of HIV patients.
Why we are ignorant about this?
Why we are ashamed to talk about such topics? What's up guys, welcome to 2.5 Travelers. My name is Kishan.
My name is Kasho.
So this is a whole different series of videos where we are going to talk about some important science related and environment related topics.
Where everybody can learn and get some knowledge.
So this is just an experiment because we are from science background, so we thought why not?
By the way, we'll keep watching our travel vlogs.
So keep watching, and if you are new here, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon button too.
It will help us to create more good videos.
So in today's video, we are going to discuss about some myths, or let's say a misconception about HIV or AIDS. Number 1. What is the difference between HIV and AIDS?
HIV is a virus that attacks your immune system.
And when it causes severe damage to your system, then that disease is called as AIDS. So AIDS is a disease and HIV is a virus. Simple, right?
Well, just to put in simple words, AIDS is last stage of HIV.
So every HIV positive may not have AIDS.
But all the persons who have AIDS have HIV.
So AIDS first recorded in 1981 in the US, and after that it crosses all the borders and transmitted to all different types of races.
So obviously it is an epidemic. Number 2. What happens if you have AIDS?
Well, it weakens your immune system and reduces your CD4 count up to 200. What is CD4 count? It's your fighter cells.
So in the last stage, patients lose weight, experience fever, lymphoma, candidiasis and yeast in esophagus. Number 3. It can be passed by touching.
No, seriously no. HIV can only transmit from one person to other person by body fluids, and that is blood, semen, anal mucus, vaginal fluid and breast milk.
How about hugging?
Absolutely not. As I said, HIV cannot be transmitted from hugging or touching.
How about if someone touches HIV patients, sweat, tears, urine and feces?
No. As per the studies, this type of body fluid does not contain any amount of HIV.
How about kissing?
Well, it's okay. As per the studies, there is no evidence that HIV can present in the saliva. So it's a very rare chance that you get HIV by kissing.
One thing to not hear, if you are using shared needles, you may get HIV.
Anyway, it's 2020. No doctor will use used syringes. Although we are not sure about the tattoo artist. So make sure to check the needles before doing tattoo.
How about transmitting HIV by air?
No,
How about sharing water bottles and food utensils?
no,
How about swimming in pool with HIV person?
no. HIV cannot pass through the water. But don't drink that water. I'm not sure who is doing what in that water.
How about mosquitoes?
Absolutely not. That's a completely false rumor. Mosquitoes just suck your blood, not inject.
Myth number 4. Straight person don't need to worry about AIDS.
No, it's a myth that AIDS is a gay man's disease. Numbers suggest that there are many chances that straight person also carrying the asymptomatic HIV. Means you have HIV and you don't know it. Just like the COVID-19, you become asymptomatic carrier. Although as per the statistics, 70% HIV patients are gay, but remaining 26 to 30% are also straight people.
Myth number 5. HIV positive means death punishment.
No. As we mentioned previously, there are more than 36 million people currently living with this disease with proper treatment. HIV positive doesn't mean a death sentence. It can be controlled. Just like people living with diabetes, many people are living with AIDS normally with proper care and treatment.
Number 6. Also people think HIV and AIDS person have some looks.
No, that is completely false. They just look like a normal person. However, in the last stage of AIDS, you may see some physical changes.
Number 7. What about treatment?
Well, there are many treatments available for the AIDS. and this treatment is called as a ART, antiretroviral therapy. And with this therapy, AIDS person can live normal life. HIV positive does not mean that it will lead to AIDS. There are many preventive medicines also available that is called as a PrEM, and with this medicine you can prevent the HIV infection.
So it's almost 40 years. There must be some vaccines, right?
Well, unfortunately, there are no vaccines for this virus currently. Why? Because in simple terms, vaccine is either partially dead virus or any part of the virus. So when any vaccine is given to us, our body's immune system react to that and start calling their CD4 T cells. In a simple term, they are our soldier cells. Some of these cells are like a media recorder who records everything and store these things as a memory for many years. And when someone looks like a virus appear, they call immediately to all the soldier cells to kill a virus. But in AIDS, HIV kills our soldier cells, and this virus is very smart. It changes over the time by mutation. So even if we make vaccine, it is difficult to track the different strain of virus, and it's not impossible but very difficult. It can be possible maybe in future.
So I have a weird question. What if both partners have HIV? So they don't need to use protection, right?
No, as I mentioned previously, this virus is very smart. It's been studied that there are various type of HIV strains. It mutates and it changes with the time. So person can get reinfection with a new strain of HIV. So it's always better to take a protection.
So what can we do for prevention?
Well, have a safe sex, limit your partners, don't use shared needles. Even if you are doing drugs, blood transfusion or tattooing, have a testing. Also, if you are in a risk zone, try preventive medicines. And the people who are making fun of AIDS and HIV, guys, be aware, try to be open. It's not a joke. Don't be mean to HIV patients.
So enjoy your life, have a safe sex.
Condoms are cheaper than HIV. Use them.
Spread happiness, not AIDS.
Thanks for watching, guys. Let us know your feedbacks in the comment section.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share our video.